Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to get these replacements done. So we're just going to open up the box. Alright, so within the box, this is very important, the battery. You should have got a battery like so, and we need to change that. We change that after we put on the filters. And you also get a manual, but this doesn't actually matter since I'm going to show you exactly what to do right now. So before we go on and insert these, we do have to take out the plastic. Once we take out all that plastic from all of them, we do have to take this off as well and have them ready. Here we go. Just gonna open these up. Gonna open this one up. And now they're ready to be installed. All right, so in our kitchen, here we have the filters. And underneath, you're gonna have to shut off the water so it's no longer coming into here. So you can just trace back, if you didn't install this yourself, just trace it back to where it's hooked up and you're gonna see. So here's the white cable that came from here and it's going right over here, which means this is the one that we have to turn off. So we just have to turn that off. So here's the valve, we're gonna turn that off. There we go. And if you have another valve right here, also just might as well turn that off for now. Later on, we're gonna turn it on again. So it's better to do both, but if you only have the one, that's good enough. Anyways, right now, the next step would be to just flush out any water that's remaining in there. There we go. So just turn it on, turn it off again. By the way, you should see that it's a red light, so that's how you know you need to change your filters, just by the red light. So whenever you guys turn this on and you guys see that red light, it means it's time to change your filters. Anyways, we flush the water, then put a bucket or anything underneath because there's still gonna be some water spillage. You're just gonna do this, lift it up a little bit, doesn't have to be much. Then you tug it back and forth a little bit until you get it here, this and this. You guys will notice these matching. That means you can pull it out now. There's your old one. So again, that arrows would have been there and then you just lock it in when it's the circle. So we're gonna do that right now. So your old one should have been full of water and the new one obviously not. So we're just gonna line those arrows. So here are the arrows. You're gonna line them up, just press it in, and then there you go, lock it in this way. So you're gonna see the circle is there. That means it's locked, you can put it back. And we're gonna do the exact same thing for every single one of these. We're just gonna take them out and then put in the new one. So here we go, we're taking it out. Arrows, and then we put in the new one. So we took out the old and we're putting the new one just like we did with the other one. So here we go, that one's locked in. And very last one, I'm gonna take this one out as well. It's gonna come off. It shouldn't be that hard, by the way. And here's the new one. We're gonna do the exact same thing, line those arrows, put it in there. Just make sure it's nice and locked. And there we go. Usually 2 hands is better. Anyways, right now, before you turn on your water, we're gonna replace the battery. So that's up next. So next up, we have our battery. So this is the battery that we got with all filters. And if you didn't get one, this would be the one that you need. So I'm just gonna focus in a little bit better. So there we go, now you guys can see it a little bit better. Now let's just replace it. All right, so you're gonna need a little bit of space. So down here below, there's gonna be this thing that's rubbery, and you're gonna have to push it out. So with your nail, just grab it and pull it until it just pops out. So here it is. So that's how it looks like. And we're gonna install it the exact same way that you put it in there. I mean that we took it out. So let's just take out that battery and put the new one. So this is rubber, so you can just push it out. Push out the old one and put in the new one. So we're just gonna insert the new one the exact same way. Just push it in there. There we go. You're gonna see that there's no more red light at this point. Now, what I forgot to mention is before you put in a new battery, you have to wait 30 seconds just for it to reset because there is some energy left over. So wait 30 seconds, then put in a new battery, then we install it back. So once you wait at 30 seconds, this should be flashing blue. We're just gonna put it in there. and just install it back. Just push it in there. That's it. So now you're gonna turn on the water back on. So the water we turned off was down here below. We turned off this one. So this one we have to turn back on, plus this one. And there we go. You should hear something at this point, and that's because these guys are getting full of water. So all that should be happening right now. And then we have to flush the system for 5 minutes. That means just let the water go for 5 minutes, then it's drinkable. And that's just to clean these guys up from any residue. So right now, just turn on the water. So as mentioned, just let it be for 5 minutes. That light should be blue now. And after the 5 minutes, you guys can go on and just drink that water away. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.